Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So today video topic is about how to create WhatsApp link. So let's start the video. First of all, like the video and subscribe the channel for more updates and information about that videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to go your WhatsApp app. After going here, you can see all the chat. Now you have to select the person that you wanted to share your WhatsApp link. Like if you share your WhatsApp link, the person can automatically click the link and your WhatsApp will appear and he can easily save. So this is a very easy way to create a link. In this video I'm going to show you how you can, using one method, you can easily create your own link. So let's start the video. Here you can see on a screen I select the person. Now you have to write https dot double dot and you have to mark lines, then you have to type ma dot me and then you have to type your number on a screen. As you can see, now you can see on a screen about your messages, a link appear on a screen. So this is, you are creating your own WhatsApp link. So in this video, this is very easy procedure how you can create your own WhatsApp link with few easy steps. So now I'm creating my own link. Now you have to type your number here, what's your WhatsApp number that you are using to create your own WhatsApp link. So here you have to put your number. After putting number, your link of WhatsApp will be created and you can share with anyone else, and the person who open this link will direct it to you and can save your number and send messages, videos, data, anything you want to share with each other. So this is the easy step how you can easily create your WhatsApp link. So hope so friend you like this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and stay tuned with me for more updates. Now what you have to do, you have to open this link and this link will direct to your WhatsApp account. So this is the video about which I'm making, that how you can easily create WhatsApp link. So this is very an easy method that you can easily add each other